G'day, it's Chris speaking from Queensland, Australia, Gold Coast. I promised to show you how to do cuts a few videos ago when it got a little bit cooler. Well, I'm doing a job out in the country and I'm under a tall tree, so it's nice and shady and a little bit cooler. So I'll just pop this camera on my head and I'll start doing a few cuts. But it's as you can see, it's nice acreage properties. Now when there's a power point, say, if you've got a power point here, oh, it's not marking that well, my pen, but that's alright. Right. So if we've got a power point, which is usually 90mm by 45. That's the power point size. Right, so first of all you cut right through. Flip it over. When I do square cuts like this, there's no need to mark all the back. You just sew it down. When the dust starts coming through the front, you know you're on. You never hit it from that side, always the front. There's your power point cut. You'll do a small square cut. Now you can't cut right through, so you've got to eyeball it from the back, or you mark it on the back. But I've been doing this for 35 years, so I find it easy. As soon as you see your dust come through, you know you're on. See the dust? There you have it. Same process all the time. There's your square, but you always tap it out this side, never that side, because you'll chip your front. I'll do it again, another side. To make it a little bit easier for a DIY, mark that same square on the back. Then follow that line. See the dust come through the front, same as this one. You know you're on that line. Line it up. So that's your other side. So that's how you do every square hole. I'll show you how you do a small one. Do a small round hole. The old way. With all this gear of these circle cutters, I'm used to doing it just with a grinder before these even came out. But if I was cutting a round hole, like, I'll show you. If I had to cut a round hole like that, with my grinder, I would then mark it there. Right, this is how I cut a round hole without a round cutter. I cut it with the grinder. You do it from the back, plug it in, this is how you do it. hope you can see. I was doing all this before the hole saw was invented. And before then, bloody mosquitoes. Stomping at my legs. See how it's starting to come through? Whooshka! There's your hole. If you're slightly out and you need to just make it a little bit bigger, all you do is have a small chisel, screwdriver, anything, and you just tap it. I'll just use this. Because it's back cut, it's easy if you just need to adjust it a couple of mil. So there's your round hole. That's a pipe. There it is there. You do the same with a bigger cut. With a bigger hole. Bit of water. There's your hole, but I never learnt to do it with one of these. It was always by hand with your grinder. Anyway, that's the I don't recommend doing it like I've shown you with a grinder. If you're a DIY, buzz off some mosquitoes. It's easier if you're a DIY. Do it with a hole saw. Okay.